Alright everyone, let's try the Dairy Queen Oreo Blizzard. So here you go. It was so good, and it's not bad. It's comparing to a McDonald's McFlurry that I tried, the Oreo McFlurry from 2 years ago. Very chunky of the Oreo cookie pieces. And that was not too bad. No other stuff from the Dairy Queen other than McDonald's, because that really was good. It's because I have very best choice to choose Dairy Queen to have coupons, but I don't have one no more for like try to lose it from school for bringing it, but I just come here home, but I had to buy just a Blizzard and that's it, without buying the mini Blizzard or the cheeseburger for today. Other things to talk about Dairy Queen, because Blizzard is the home of the Blizzard from Dairy Queen, and it's good for the Oreo, the flavored Blizzard, just like compared to Sonic Blast of the Ice Cream Blast and the McDonald's McFlurry. So I will try it again for the Dairy Queen Oreo Blizzard. It kind of like very pieces of crunchy, but it was not too bad. So anyways, this is like the way how much Dairy Queen was gonna get promotion to how much that the mail does to receive the coupon. So I will buy it for like a month for the next one. So now it's it for me. So goodbye everyone. So subscribe.